What I like to do here is just unlock everything and press Command or Control A, grab everything and just resize the entire thing so that we can fit it into the document window like so. And then I'm going to lock everything again and zoom in. Okay, so what I want to do here is I want to do a little copying and pasting. Let me actually just move this out of the way a little bit. I want to copy the pommel circle and I want to put it on the tips of. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply hold down on my keyboard the Alt or Option key, and I'm going to drag an instance of this right where it belongs, like that. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to drag this one over here and nudge it into position. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit more so that we can see that we have these little embellishments on the edge of the guard. Now what I'm going to do as well is click on this pommel piece here, and I'm going to unlock everything and drag it to the guard layer so it lives with the rest of the actual guard. Grab this one and do the same thing. Grab it to the guard layer, and for this one in particular I'm going to go to Object, Arrange, Send to Back. So we can see that it's being actually locked onto, or it's attached to the edge of that particular piece of the blade itself. So I'm going to Shift select this and scale both of these down a little bit, so we just have a little bit of a better sense that this is a little bit in the distance as opposed to this part of the sword or the grip. And I'm also going to scale this down just a little bit more. As you see, when you're working in Illustrator or any application, you're going to spend a great deal of time tweaking things. And that's why I like to always reiterate, when you're working in Illustrator or Photoshop or any application, you're going to start simple, and then you're going to later on start to embellish it. So right now it doesn't look very impressive because we don't really have much here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move on to create the leather straps for our grip here.